so today I'm taking you with me to Ikea. I'm on a mission today to get a kitchen trolley that I saw last week when I was here. Last time we came at closing time, so we didn't have much time to have a look around. But this time I couldn't resist to check out all the new stuff they have. I love these Ikea glass containers because they fit all into each other, which is very useful when you have very limited space as I do. I have these glasses, and one very good thing about Ikea is that they have their things in stock for multiple years. So I have bought these. Every time I break one, I come back to Ikea and I buy a new one. I really love this lamp, but unfortunately the color baby blue doesn't go with my interior. This small one is also so cute. I also love these new wooden frames that come in a lot of different sizes. And here I was trying to figure out how to turn on these LED candles without any success. So let me know if anyone has these. Do they really make a space feel cozy, or do they just feel a little bit fake? Okay, back to the real reason I came to Ikea today, this trolley. I guess it wouldn't be a successful Ikea trip without the veggie hot dog and the fries, right? So I never leave Ikea without eating. And also this ice cream is so creamy and it's my partner's favorite. Alright, so the next day it was time to put this together, so let's see how long this will take me. Honestly, I'm quite impatient when it comes to these things, so I couldn't wait for my partner to come home. So I did it all by myself. Yes, I'm a little bit clumsy. Nonetheless, it was easy to assemble by myself. even though I did sweat a little bit. Okay, so this is the final result. I'm really happy how it turned out. I think the color really goes well with the kitchen color. Our kitchen is very small and we have very limited counter space. So I really wanted something to free up some counter space. So I think this was the perfect solution. So I styled it a little bit like a coffee station with our coffee machine, all our coffee taps, our syrups and our mugs. And it does actually fit a lot of things. And it actually comes with wheels, which is so practical. So here I put it in a different corner and I styled it a little bit differently, and I just love how it turned out. I added our nuts and also our tea, and I think it looks fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it till the end of the video, please let me know in the comments. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. It means the world to me.